The other one that is important to remember is instructies of bevele. And the only difference here is that you must remember once you identify here may the remote on. There's two ways of doing this that you must remember. The one is if they have an asseblief in the sentence, you'll cut up your moenie into moet and nie. Moet and nie comes from moenie, and moenie is the equivalent of don't in English. Okay, don't. Look at my beautiful written down. Do not is the equivalent of the moenie in Afrikaans. Okay, so if you see a sentence that starts with a verb and there's no question mark, that means it's an instruction. Give me the remote. Gee my die remote on. First option, here moenie my die remote on here nie. Or if they say gee my die remote on asseblief, if the question was gee my die remote on asseblief of asseblief gee my die remote on asseblief, depending, asseblief can either be in front or at the back, then it would be moet asseblief nie my die remote on here nie. Or you can even say moet asseblief nie die remote on my here. You can even put your my later. That's also fine. But the bottom line is that you must make a note of if it's an instruction, you're using moenie as your verb one. So you replace here with your verb one moenie or moet nie if there was an asseblief in your sentence. Hardloop vinnig. Hardloop altyd vinnig winkel. Okay, what would you do that in the negative? If you have to put this in the negative.
Moenie altyd vinnig winkels toe hardloop nie.
Okay, or moet nooit vinnig winkels toe hardloop nie. Can you see that? Because now, instead of saying moenie, if you're going to choose moenie, then you keep your altyd as is. If you're going to choose moet, if you want to say moet nie, the nie is the nooit, is included in the nooit, moet nooit. So we change altyd to a negative as your part of your negative one. So that